Welcome to Appuccino. Today we are exploring the 2026 Guide to External Blowers. Wiring a 1600 CFM best Cattura for smart kitchens. Based on our recent project. 1600 CFM inline blower wiring. Unit. Best Cattura Downdraft. Lessons learned. Make sure to use the 10-inch transition for the 1600 CFM blower. Otherwise the static pressure is too high. Wired the master switch directly to the smart home relay. It is incredibly loud without a silencer installed in the attic. Need a makeup air damper for code compliance. Brewed to delight. Built to perform. Welcome to Appuccino Studio. Today we are walking through the high-performance integration of a massive 1600 CFM inline blower. With a best Cattura Downdraft. Learn how we intercept master switches using high-amperage Z-wave relays for intelligent automation. Brewed to delight. Built to perform.